Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea using microwave. Begin by filling a microwave-safe cup with fresh cold water and placing your tea bag or loose leaves in a strainer above the cup if you prefer. Heat at medium power in short bursts, checking every 30 seconds to avoid boiling over. Let the tea steep for the recommended time after heating, then remove the bag or leaves and enjoy. Start by selecting a microwave-safe cup and rinsing it with warm water to remove any dust. Measure the water to match your preferred strength, remembering that more water dilutes flavor. Add your tea bag or loose leaf infuser so it will contact the heated water quickly. Avoid metal and position the cup in the center of the microwave turntable for even heating. Close the door and prepare to heat in controlled intervals. Heat the cup at medium power in 30 to 45-second bursts, checking between bursts to prevent violent boiling. When you reach near target temperature, let the tea steep with the bag or leaves in the cup for the appropriate time for your tea type. Remove the bag or infuser gently to avoid splashes and stir if needed for even extraction. Taste and adjust steeping time next round to refine your ideal cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.